Okay, this is our farm tour. October 2nd, 2010. We're on the bay. Hi. We're at Taylor Shellfish Farms. And of course, anytime we do anything exciting, Jax is totally passed out. It's beautiful here.
Weather?
Beautiful mountains. Right up to the bay. Gorgeous. Let's go see the... Alright, so they're bringing in the oysters. Right off the boat. Some deadliest catch. Jax, did you have your first oyster today?
Just leaving the oyster farm. We got 2 pounds of everything. Cassie, are you ready to eat?
Look how pretty it is over there. Big mountains and the bay.
That's awesome.
Oh.
Oysterville, USA. Fourth stop on the tour, winery and orchard and beef house or something. What are those behind you, apples?
Apples and then the grapes are here.
Grapes. Nice big mountain.
Passed out Jaxie. Pretty.
It's more scenery than anything.
Yeah.
Winery, not so good.
No, wine's bad.
2 free wine glasses though. Okay, beef time.
Hit the donkey, Jax. Hit the donkey. Jaxie, what do you think? Not much. Alright, pigs. Jax, you see the pigs? Do you see the pigs? Look at him. It's Babe.
Hey, you just stop it. Let's go. Hey, you'll be alive.
You guys ready to get a quarters?
Whee!
I'm just going to take the tickets and sprinkle it into the pen. But there's not a whole lot of figures in here. It's a little easier to go up there and just go straight through. Oh, they're all out here. There you go.
That's so funny.
No, the pigs aren't a big scratch. It doesn't settle good.
Yes!
Oh, it does? No.
What do you think about the pigs, Jax?
You know what? That you don't have to bite my toe. It doesn't feel so
Jaxie! Jaxie! What are you doing?
It doesn't feel that good. You know
Looking
that?
at pigs. Piggy! Piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy. I like the smell of pig.
Everything's kind of